Hi guys, let's learn how to make extension box wiring. Today I have with me 5 sockets with the 5 switch each. Let's open the back cover. Take the wire longer than an extension box so that the wire won't become shorter when you are making wiring. Now connect one of the terminal in each socket in a series connection. Now as you can see, one of the terminal in each socket is connected in the series connection. In the same way, connect one of the terminal in each switch in the series connection. Now connect the other terminal of the switch to the other socket terminal. In that way, when the switch is on, the current will flow to each socket. In this way, when the switch is on, the current will flow to the other terminal of the switch and then to the socket. In the same way, rest will do the same. Make sure that the wire is full once so that the wire won't come out, which will damage the extension box. When the wiring is done, cover the back cover. In this way, you can use each socket with independent switch. Hope you like this video.